We'll guide you through how to make rotate blur in After Effects. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial to learn how to create rotating blur effects in Adobe After Effects for dynamic and energetic visuals. It helps them add motion, speed, and dramatic focus to videos or graphics. First, open Adobe After Effects on your computer and wait for the program to load completely. After the workspace appears, create a new composition to begin your project. Set the composition settings you need, then confirm to open the timeline. Next, import your image or video into the project panel and add it to the timeline so it becomes your main layer. After that, create a new adjustment layer from the layer menu and place it above the clip in the timeline. Open the Effects and Presets panel and search for Radial Blur or CC Radial Fast Blur. Apply the effect to the adjustment layer so it affects the footage underneath. Then change the blur type to spin if the option is available to create a rotating blur effect around a center point. Increase the blur amount gradually until the rotation effect becomes clearly visible and visually dynamic. Adjust the blur center position to control the exact point where the spinning motion originates in the composition. If desired, animate the blur amount by enabling keyframes so the rotate blur changes intensity over time for more dramatic motion effects. You can also create a mask on the adjustment layer using the pen tool or shape tool if you want the rotate blur to appear only in specific areas. After creating the mask, press F on the keyboard to open the mask feather property and increase the feather value for smoother transitions between blurred and non-blurred regions. Continue refining the blur strength, center position, mask placement, and animation timing until the effect looks balanced and cinematic. Once everything is complete, preview the result by playing the timeline from the beginning and check that the rotate blur appears smooth and visually appealing. Make any final adjustments if needed to improve the quality or movement of the effect. Finally, add the composition to the render queue and click Render to export the final video.